Thanks for logging on to NeoWeather.com on this Sunday, April 7th, 2013. I'm Jim Sullivan with your video forecast. As of noon Sunday, we have an A-plus weather day going on outside. It is partly to mostly sunny. Temperatures are in the middle to upper 60s. We even have a 70 out there at Cuyahoga County Regional Airport. There is a cold front over Lake Erie, but we're going to sneak in a very nice afternoon before we cool off a little bit this evening. Taking your 3D Max full now, you can see that little spin in the clouds east of Lake Huron. That's the low pressure that's going to drag a cold front through northern Ohio this evening. Elsewhere across the country, it looks pretty quiet, but there is a ton of energy over the west, and that's going to stream through the plains, the mid-Mississippi Valley, and the Great Lakes over the next several days. So there's going to be some rounds of severe weather across the heartland, and we're going to have a lot of rain, but some warmer temperatures too through much of the week. Coming back to Cleveland and looking at your numbers for today, averages of 56 and 38. Yesterday we were a tad below average. Today we'll be above. And we're starting off April dry. However, we're going to make up for some lost time in the rainfall department over the next several days, and the sun is almost setting at 8 o'clock. And here's a look at the rest of your Sunday. Temperatures getting into the lower 70s this afternoon before the cold front sweeps through and cools things off this evening. Maybe a shower along the cold front, but it won't be a big deal. Winds are going to be gusty out of the south and then out of the west later this afternoon. Could be some rain again late tonight with temperatures dropping back into the 40s. And here's how that all shakes out on your futurecast now. Maybe a shower south this afternoon along a cold front. We dry out this evening, but the front stalls to our south tonight and becomes active, and there could be some scattered showers or even thunderstorms tomorrow as the front comes back as a warm front. And if you're heading to the Tribe game tomorrow, bring the rain gear. I don't think it'll be a rain out, but we can't rule out some rain delays with that front lifting north with some showers and storms along it. And through the work week, the forecast is not going to be quite straightforward because we're going to have cold air to the north trying to move south and warm air from the south trying to move north. So we're going to have a frontal boundary across northern Ohio through most of the week. Tomorrow, I expect that warm front to get right up to near Lake Erie, so most of the area does see 70s. Tuesday, the front sags south a little bit as a cold front, but I don't expect it to get too far inland, so cooler along the lake Tuesday, still very warm inland. Wednesday, late in the day, the front starts coming back north as a warm front, so again, it'll still be cooler right along the lakeshore with the north flow, much warmer inland. And finally, for Thursday, the low pressure responsible for this whole mess begins sliding east, bringing a cold front with it. It would not surprise me if someone in Carroll, Columbiana, Tuscarawas counties hits 80 degrees Thursday. It'll be very warm ahead of this system. And with that front hanging around for days and days, it's going to rain off and on much of the week, and the Weather Prediction Center from NOAA shows 2 to 3 inches of rain falling across much of northern Ohio through Friday morning, so we'll have to watch for minor flooding as the week moves on. Looking at the big picture forecast models now, you can see all that energy moving out of the west and drawing the warmth, but moisture northward too, meaning rain chances but warmer air through much of the week. This weekend we do chill off. However, it looks like by the time we get into next week, the cooler air will begin to move out, so we'll have a few cool days this weekend, and then we'll bounce right back up, it looks like. So, here's what that all looks like on your 7-day. Tomorrow, a few scattered storms. If you're heading down to the Tribe game, bring the rain gear just in case. Temperatures near 70 in Cleveland, warmer south. Remember, all these temperatures are the Cleveland forecast, so if you live in Canton or Dover or Mansfield, Youngstown, as you just saw in those previous maps, you can expect 70s pretty much through Thursday with periodic rain and thunder chances. The best chance for a steady soaking rain will probably come Wednesday night, Thursday, and Thursday night. We do try and dry out Friday into Saturday with cooler temperatures moving back in. Remember to check with NeoWeather.com this evening. We're going to release your spring forecast. Again, I'm Jim Sullivan. Thanks for logging on. Check us out again tomorrow.